A very good morning to all. Welcome to the new class. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is Subtraction up to 10. In the last chapter, we learned about adding numbers. We learned adding two numbers, and that is addition. Today, we are going to learn about subtraction, subtracting numbers. So, have you heard of this term before? Subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. So, subtraction is when something is taken away. Subtraction means taking away. So, let's see some examples. So, here you can see toys. How many toys are here? There are 4. So just count and see. How many are there? There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here there are 4 toys. I'm going to take away 2. See? Take away 2 toys from 4 toys. So how many are left now? How many are left? There are only 2 toys left. So, you had 4 toys in total. From that 4 toys, I took away 2. Right. So, now how many are remaining? Only 2. So, that is subtraction. Here, you subtract 2 from 4. That is, you take away 2 from 4 and you got the answer as 2. Let me give you one more example. Just all of you just imagine there are 4 apples with you. Do you all like apples? So just imagine you have 4 apples with you. So from that 4 apples, I am going to take away 1. So I want 1 apple. So I am going to take 1 apple from your 4 apples. So now how many are left with you? There are only 3. So 1 apple is with me. I took away 1 from you. And how many left with you? You have only 3. So here you subtract 1 from 4. So how many left with you? 3. So let me give you one more example. Just imagine you have 3 chocolates with you. Do you all like chocolates? So imagine you have 3 chocolates with you. Imagine your favorite chocolate. And you have 3 chocolates with you. Okay, so from that 3 chocolates, your mother came and took away 1. So how many are left with you now? You have only 2. So subtraction means taking away. Subtraction is when something is taken away. Understood? So now let's see subtracting 1. When we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number just before. So let me show you one example. Here you can see a number line, numbers from 0 to 10. So see the question, 3 minus 1. So here you need to take away 1 from 3. And we learned that when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before. So which number comes before 3? All of you see this number line? So where is number 3? Number 3 is here. So which number comes before 3? It is 2. So what is 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1 equal 2. So when you subtract 1 from a number, you get the number just before. So 3 minus 1 equal 2. Then 4 minus 1. So what is 4 minus 1? Which number comes before 4? Where is number 4? 4 is here. So which number comes before 4? 3. So what is 4 minus 1? 3. Another one. 5 minus 1. So what is 5 minus 1? First find where is number 5? 5 is here. So which number comes before 5? 4. So what is 5 minus 1? 5 minus 1 equal 4. So when you subtract 1 from any number, you get the number just before. The answer is the number that is just before. Understood? See the next one. Subtracting 0. We learned subtracting 1 from a number. Now let's see subtracting 0 from a number. See, when we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the same number. So what it is? When you subtract 0 from any number, what answer do you get? The answer is the same number. See one example. 5 minus 0. So here you are subtracting 0 from 5. And what is the answer you get? The answer is 5. So when you subtract any number from 0, the answer is the same number. 6 minus 0. What is the answer? It is 6. 1 minus 0. What is the answer? It is 1. 4 minus 0. What is the answer? The answer is 4. 8 minus 0. What is 8 minus 0? 8. 9 minus 0. What is 9 minus 0? 9. So, when you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. That is subtracting 0. Then, see the next one. Subtracting the same number. When we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. See one example here. 3 minus 3. Here you are subtracting 3 from 3. So that is you are subtracting the same number. So did you all find this simple? This minus simple? So it is the symbol of subtraction. Okay. So when you subtract the same number, what answer you get? You get the answer as 0. 3 minus 3 equal 0. 1 minus 1. You are subtracting the same number. So what is 1 minus 1? 0. 8 minus 8. What is 8 minus 8? 0. 6 minus 6. What is 6 minus 6? 0. So when you subtract the same number, what answer do you get? You get the answer as 0. So we learned subtracting 1, subtracting 0 and subtracting the same number. Understood? Subtraction means taking away and the symbol is minus. Okay, so you have to keep all this in your mind. Based on this, we'll do some exercise. You can take page number 49 and you can see it is given. Let's recall. Count and write the number left out. So one is done for you. See the question. If we take away 1 from 4, what answer we get? So here you can see aeroplane. How many are there? 4. Count and see how many are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the question here. If we take away 1. So you need to take away 1. So how many left? 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. So likewise, let's do the rest of the exercise. See, here you can see paper clips. So just count and see how many paper clips are there. How many are there? There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see the question. If we take away 2. So we need to take away 2 from 6. See? 1, 2. So I took away 2 from 6. See how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many paper clips are now left? Only 4. So what is 6 minus 2? It is 4. When you take away 2 from 6, you have 4. So how many paper clips are left here? 4. Okay. See the next one. So here you can see cake pieces. So just count and see how many pieces of cake are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5. If we take away 3 from 5, so we are going to take away how many? We are going to take away 3. So 1, 2, 3. So I took away 3. So how many are left? 2. Only 2 pieces, right? So what is the answer? It is 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Moving to the next one. Here you can see gift boxes. So just count and see how many gift boxes are there. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there, right? See, if we take away 2 from 4, so we are going to take away 2. 1, 2. So how many are remaining now? 2. So what is the answer? The answer is 2. So what is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 equal 2. So when you take away 2 from 4, what do you get? You get the answer as 2. Moving to the next one. Here you can see balloons. So just count and see how many balloons are there. There are how many? 9. If we take away 3 from 9, so we are going to take away 3. See? 1, 2, 3. Now how many are left? Just count and see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many? 6. So what is the answer? It is 6. Moving to the next one, you can see feathers. So how many feathers are there? Count and see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. So if we take away 4 from 6, so let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are left? Only 2. 2 feathers are left. So what is the answer? The answer is 2. So this is how you need to do this. Moving to the next one. You can take page number 50. Guess the story and fill in the boxes. So let's do the first one. Beads in the necklace. So you can see the necklace here. You can see a boy holding a necklace and you have to count the number of beads in the necklace. So can you all just count how many beads are there in the necklace? How many are there? How many are there? There are 10. Okay, so there are 10 beads in the necklace. Then beads on the floor. So can you all see some beads that are on the floor? Yes. So just count and see how many are there. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3. So you have to write here 3. Then beads left in the necklace. So there were how many beads in total? There were 10. How many are on the floor? 3. So what do you need to find? You need to find how many beads are left in the necklace. So how many are left? So what do you need to do here? You need to take away 3 from 10. You need to subtract 3 from 10 to find out the number of beads left in the necklace. So 10 minus 3, that is 7. So how many beads are left in the necklace? That is 7. So 7 is the answer. Understood? Let's see the next one. You can see a cake and the candles are lit on it. So the first question is candles lit. So can you all just count and see how many candles are lit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Okay. Then candles put off. See here. So how many lights got put off? That is 1, 2, 3. Right. So you have to write here 3. Then candles still lit. So how many are still lit? That is 2. That is you need to subtract 3 from 5. So total 5 candles were lit. From that 5 candles, 3 got put off. Then how many are still lit? That is 2. Moving to the next one. Apples in the basket. Here you can see a man is holding a basket with apples. So just count and see how many apples are there. How many apples are there in the basket? There are 8. How many? 8. So here you can see a monkey, right? So this monkey is holding how many apples? 2, right? Apples with the monkey. So how many apples are there with the monkey? 2. Okay. Apples left in the basket. So there were 8 apples. From that 8 apples, this monkey took away 2. Then how many are left in the basket? There are only 6, right? You need to take away 2 from 8. That is, subtract 2 from 8. Then you will get the number of apples left in the basket. And how many are left? There are only 6. Understood? So now let's move on to the next one. That is page number 51. That is practice coach. So here you need to fill in the boxes. So see, the first one is already done. Moving to the second one. So here you can see lollipops. So here how many are there? Just count and see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So you have to write in the box 5. So here how many are there? 2. So this symbol is minus. That means subtraction. So you have to take away 2 from 5. So what is the answer you get? That is 3. So how many lollipops are left? 3. See the next one. You can see cats. How many are there? 6. So here how many? 2. So you need to take away 2 from 6. So how many are left? 4. Understood? Moving to the next one. Here you can see balls. Just count and write how many balls are here. How many? There are 7. Here 4. You need to take away 4 from 7. And what do you get? How many are left? That is 3. So 7 minus 4 equal 3. The last one. You can see stars. So how many stars are here? 5. How many here? 1. That is, you need to take away 1 from 5. So how many left? 4. 5 minus 1 equal 4. Understood? So moving to the next one, page number 53. So we have learnt subtracting 1, subtracting 0 and subtracting the same number. So based on this, let's do this exercise. Okay. So the first one is 5 minus 1. So when you subtract 1 from a number, you get the number just before. So which number comes before 5? 4. So the answer is 4. Then second one, 5 minus 0. What is 5 minus 0? When you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. So what is 5 minus 0? It is 5. Let's do the next one. 9 minus 1. So what is the answer? It is 8. The number just before 9, it is 8. The next one, 9 minus 9. Subtracting the same number. When you subtract the same number, what answer do you get? The answer is 0. So what is 9 minus 9? 0. The next one, 6 minus 0. So when you subtract 0 from a number, you get the same number. So what is 6 minus 0? That is 6. The next one, 8 minus 0. What is the answer? It is 8. Then 10 minus 1. When you subtract 1 from a number, you get the number just before. The answer is the number just before. So which number comes before 10? 9. So what is 10 minus 1? 9. See the next one. 7 minus 1. So what is 7 minus 1? It is 6. Then 5 minus 5? 0. When you subtract the same number, you get the answer as 0. Then 8 minus dash equal 0. So which number you subtract with 8, you get the answer as 0. When you subtract the same number, you get the answer as 0. See, 8 minus 8. What is the answer? The answer you will get as 0. Then 7 minus 7. What is 7 minus 7? It is 0. The next one. Which number you subtract with 2, you get the answer as 0. See, 2. Right, 2 minus 2, you get the answer as 0. The next one, here you can see a blank box. You need to find the number from which 1 is subtracted to get the answer as 5. Which number is that? See, 6. So if you subtract 1 from 6, you get the answer as 5. Here you can see a blank box. You need to find the number from which 1 is subtracted to get the answer as 5. So what is the answer? It is 6. So when you subtract 1 from 6, you get the answer as 5. In the same way, you have another question given here. So find the number from which 0 is subtracted to get the answer as 8. So which number is that? See, 8. 8 minus 0 equal 8. The next one, 4 minus, there is a blank box given and the answer is given as 4. You need to find the number, you need to subtract with 4 to get the answer as 4. So what it is? See, 0. When you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. So 4 minus 0 equal 4. The last one, you need to find the number from which 9 is subtracted to get the answer as 0. Which is the number? See, 9. When you subtract the same number, you get the answer as 0. 9 minus 9 equal 0. Understood? So now, moving on to the second one. Here, you need to create your own subtraction problems. See, the first one is done. 3 minus 3. When you subtract the same number, you get the answer as 0. So like this, you have to create your own subtraction problems. Let me show you the next one. You can create a subtraction problem here. See, 3 minus 0. What answer do I get? 3. Right. When you subtract 0 from 3, the answer is 3. So likewise, you can do the two questions, that is C and D. Okay. You have to create your own subtraction problems and write the answers in the given boxes. So I hope the class was clear to you. That is about subtracting 1, 0 and the same number. So let me explain to you once again. When you subtract 1 from any number, the answer is the number just before. When you subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the same number. And then subtracting the same number. That is, when you subtract the same number, the answer is 0. So I hope the topic was clear to you. Complete your exercise and complete these two questions. So we'll meet in the next class. We'll discuss a new topic. Till then, thank you.